episode of Love and Life with Cass. So glad you're here and I hope you're having a great Thursday so far. In today's episode, we will be exploring Ireland, which is awesome. Ireland's a great country filled with amazing people and the greenest grass and the cutest sheep and super fun pubs and a lot of history. I love Ireland and I'm super excited to show you. If you haven't been to Ireland yet, you're gonna definitely want to visit it. So take some notes down at the different spots that are in this video. Check out my blog for more information about Ireland and get booking your ticket. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to comment anything in the comments. And if you want to see more awesome videos about travel, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget you can also check out my blog, Love and Life with Cass, where I post new blogs Monday to Friday about all things travel, travel fashion, travel hacks, how to travel on a budget, how to find cheap flights, photography tips, and all fun stuff like that. Please follow me on Instagram and you can connect with me there too. If you have any personal questions, feel free to DM me. So if you're ready, let's look at Ireland. Beautiful Ireland in a video. Such a gorgeous place and I definitely recommend it. If you haven't been there and if you have been there, I definitely recommend you go again because Ireland is always a good time. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe to the channel, check me out on social media, and look at the blog. Have a great week and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye-bye. Love you.